How to remove a double-sided keyed deadbolt lock from Slade. You can see it's got it's keyed on both sides, and really the only thing you need to know how to do is remove this faceplate. And if you've got a tiny screwdriver, you're just going to pry it back, and I've already done that, so I'm just showing you how to do it. And then once you pop that off, then you go ahead and remove those screws, and the rest of it is just like you would replace a normal deadbolt lock. But the key is to know how to take that plate off. If you have a small screwdriver, it makes it very simple. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you will subscribe.